Okay.
Alexa, turn off the AC.
Okay, now you off the AC, so?
Yes, now you off the AC with your mouth. With your mouth.
Okay.
Alexa, on the AC.
Ah, wow. Wow.
Alexa, turn off the TV. My people na dey see am so, no be magic o. Alexa, open the curtain. My people na dey see am so, na voice we take dey command am so, na voice we take dey command am so. So this thing now we fit do am for any house. Okay. Alexa, close the curtain. You dey see am so. So this thing dey very very powerful for house. Any house wey you build, wey be say you don build the house like this now, you wan automate am, na the work wey we dey do. My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depending on the time una take dey watch us from. So na we dey call Alexa expert or home automation expert or home assistant expert, depending on how you take sabi the name from. So wetin we come do for this house today now, I wan explain, give us. Many of us don dey hear am, many of us don see am for many houses, but you no know say e dey very possible. So we come bring am to una to tell una say e dey very possible for that your house. You fit do home automation for your house, you fit do home assistance for your house. So wetin we come do for here today now, I wan show us today. Okay. Alexa, turn off the AC.
Okay, now you off the AC, so?
Yes, now you off the AC with your mouth. With your mouth.
Okay.
Alexa, on the AC.
Ah, wow. Wow.
Alexa, turn off the TV. My people na dey see am so, no be magic o. Alexa, turn on the AC.
Let's go off the AC. Let's go off the AC on now.
Okay, now
so we'll talk about the TV.
Okay, Alexa, turn on the TV. My people na dey see am, na mouth I take the voice command am so. So Alexa dey very powerful for house. So that's why we dey call am home automation. E never finish o. Now I still do another one. Alexa, open the curtain. My people na dey see am so, na voice we take dey command am so, na voice we take dey command am so. So this thing now we fit do am for any house. Okay. Alexa, close the curtain. You dey see am so. So this thing dey very powerful for house. Any house wey you build, wey be say you don build the house like this now, you wan automate am, na the work wey we dey do. This thing dey, e don dey very rampant for place like Abuja, place like Lagos, even abroad. I remember one of my clients come call me that day say, he see my video, say that thing now they don dey use am for even South Africa, for many countries, say in like am now, say as we don dey do am for this talk show. So my people, if you get any house at all, maybe you wan automate your TV, you wan automate your speakers, you wan automate your light. I never even talk about light o. You wan automate your light, anything wey you wan automate at all, e fit be your fridge, you understand, even your this light. So Alexa, turn off the panel light.
Wow.
You see am so. So anything wey you wan automate, just let us know, like the work wey we dey do. So home automation has come to stay, and it's very important at all. You understand. So wetin the work dey majorly dey do na say, from the comfort of your house or from the comfort of anywhere you are in the world, you can remote control your house. How does that one work? Maybe na say you comot for house, maybe you no dey house, you travel. From where you dey for that travel, you fit dey remote control your house. You fit decide to on the surrounding light like this now. Maybe in the night, you fit decide to on the surrounding light, and people go think say you dey around. They no know say you no dey around. This thing dey very important o, especially for our people wey dey use AC, solar. So this thing go help you save your energy. You fit even schedule your activities. Maybe you get activities wey you dey do early in the morning, activities wey you dey do early in the maybe before you sleep in the night. You fit just tell Alexa now say make e off everything for the whole house. everything go turn off. Or maybe say you no dey house now, you fit press one button, all your surrounding lights dey go on. You understand? E still get one thing wey we dey call sensor. You understand? So though we know this one na like mini project o. So na depending on how the person pocket reach, now we still take do this project for am. So e get some people now wey wan automate all their house, maybe their bedroom, maybe their anywhere for house, their surrounding, they wan automate am. So they go still let us know. E get wetin we dey call sensor. That sensor, so we go put am for strategic location for the house, as maybe wetin dey call am CCTV dey capture the wetin dey happen for the house. The sensor go be like trap. Anybody wey waka pass am, e go trigger alarm for your phone. That is home automation for you. E go automatically turn on trigger for your phone, or automatically alert you, or automatically e go ring alarm for somebody to know say person dey that environment, especially from that 11 o'clock in the night when sleep don take dey carry us. You no know wetin dey happen for your surrounding again. So that sensor now we put am as trap. E go help you dey guide your house. E go enhance what? Security for your house. Not only that o, there's something we also put that sensor in the kitchen. In the kitchen, you can decide to maybe say you waka enter your kitchen like this, the light for your kitchen go off or e go on, depending on how you want am. Especially those of us wey be say your children go waka comot for house, they go forget to off the light. So if you put that sensor will only trigger light to on whenever it senses a presence, somebody in that kitchen. If somebody is not in that kitchen, the light will not on, but immediately you waka enter that kitchen, the light go on automatically. E go make you see wetin you wan do. As far as you are in that kitchen, you have light to use, but once you comot for that kitchen, e go automatically off by itself. That is what we call home automation for you. So this thing dey very 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 important. You understand? Even for gate, you can decide to maybe say you dey come house like this now, instead of maybe you wan go, you no get gate now, you just put this automatic gate for your this thing. As you dey come from outside, you can decide to use your hand to control your gate will open for you. Or maybe you get visitors and you no dey as you wan open gate for your visitor, you no need to drive come, wetin dey call am, your visitor doesn't need to stay outside the gate and be waiting for you. Through the blast of a button, you can decide to open the gate for that visitor. The visitor will enter your house. Through the blast of your button, you can decide to open your own door for the person. The person will have a very comfortable rest. He will sit down. Through the blast of your button, you can decide, like we just see now, you can decide to on your AC from wherever you are in the world, and the person will be enjoying the AC. Through the blast of a button, you can even decide to even play maybe you wan do wetin dey call am, you wan on television for the person. See wetin I wan do now, I wan use my phone take dey control. I no even need all this AC again. I just put am for just to show you. I no even need all this AC again. With the blast of my phone like this, wherever I am in the world, I can decide to be controlling my phone. You see what I'm doing now with my phone? I wan put TV for am. I fit dey work o, maybe I get this one, I say make yourself comfortable, I will on AC for you, make yourself comfortable, I will play music for you, make yourself comfortable, I will open the door for you wherever you are in the world. And this thing does not limit to entertainment o. Even maybe you get borehole and the time wey sun take dey shine well well, now you need to pump water with your inverter, with your solar, you can decide to, what's it called, you can decide to, from work, you can decide to pump your water. And there's also something we call water level gauge. You can also install it in your, what's it called, in your tank, and you'll be seeing the volume of your water. And if you don't see full from wherever you are in the world, you can decide to off it, you can decide to on it. So home automation has come to stay, and in fact, what you can do, as far as you can use phone, you can use the home automation. And some of our clients, when we don't see work from, some of their fear, they say, you can't tamper with my wire. We don't really need to tamper with your wiring of the house. So no, we don't need to tamper with the wiring of your house. So what we do majorly is to convert a dummy. What we call dummy device is a device that naturally will not hear you, but we will program am. If we program am, the device will come dey hear you. So we no dey tamper with any electrical stuff for your house. Wetin we just need na to carry our device, put for where your device already dey, and then we make sure say we automate am to your taste. Now this light, na I only automate this light. Alexa, turn off the light. You dey see am so. So that's how the thing be. I can decide to still turn it on. Alexa, turn on the light. Alexa, turn on the light. You dey see am, my people. I can even decide to change the color. Maybe I wan sleep. You understand? I wan sleep in the night and I no wan stand up for bed. From wherever I am, maybe I like certain color. You know, say color have psychological effect. Color dey e get the effect for our brain. Maybe you no need this bright light. You want make your light dim. You understand? Or you want a certain color. Maybe you like to dey sleep with maybe red, blue, or green. You understand? You can decide to just make sure you this bulb now has over 100 color. As far as you can name the color, if you put the bulb for anywhere they have, maybe in your sitting room, anywhere you want the bulb to be, the bulb can give you the color that you want. Alexa, turn the light to yellow. You dey see am so. Any color of your choice wey you want, you can decide to tell Alexa, or with the blast of your what's it called, your phone, you can touch it and you get any color wey you dey find. So home automation, if I begin to talk wetin we don do with home automation, you go appreciate the technology wey oyibo don bring come for us. You understand? And let me quickly talk about one again that we also do. There is one we call adjustable film, adjustable glass film. Wetin that one dey do be say, maybe your bedroom, you get glass for bedroom, and that glass for bedroom, now you need some level of privacy for that glass. Those of us wey get glass for bedroom, so there's a film we can put, and you can tell Alexa with the blast of your phone. You can decide to tell Alexa to improve the privacy of the glass. The glass go come dey a bit invisible to see through. Then you can also tell Alexa go still make the glass dey transparent to see through. So why am I saying this is that we can automate your living room, we can automate your sitting room, we can automate your bathroom, we can automate your surrounding. Wetin we just need to know is just tell us the scope of the project. And some people will come tell us say, this one too much, this one too much. Wetin I dey tell them say, start from somewhere, because these are some of the things that you will have at home. You don't really know the value. Okay, like this is my client now. I have to tell this my client that this your TV, so when they use any, do you know that this your TV can be automated? He can't look me because you don't know the meaning of home automation. I have to educate him, because he tell me say this TV now cost about 1 point something million naira, and he say na smart TV. I said TV wey me dey use for house is also big like this, but it's not smart TV. And this TV now, wetin go make your own different from my own TV na if you fit automate am. So I come tell am say, see the function wey this thing fit do. I no know why you fit zoom the camera. You see Alexa, is written here. You see Alexa is written here. It means that some of the gadgets we have at home, they are Alexa friendly, but it's just that we never know how to make the best use of it. And it means that we will get these Alexa friendly devices, we not really different from people where you know get them, but they maximize the use. What do I mean? Because we can also automate a dummy device. Maybe that device is not Alexa friendly. There is also a way we can also automate it that it will work. But your own way, they are Alexa friendly. What we just need to do now, just to do what's it called, programming. But the one way not the Alexa friendly, there is also what we can also do to also make it what automated friendly. So my people, home automation is dey very broad. Oyibo wey bring this thing come for us, I dey give them hand every day, because Alexa can do a lot for you. Hey Alexa, play me any song on Amazon. My people, now they see I don dey play o. May I even increase the volume? So the song don dey play on Amazon now. May I increase the volume?
Okay.
You see so Alexa can do
silent the music too.
Alexa can do a lot for you. Alexa can, hey Alexa, stop the music. Hey Alexa, stop the music. The music don't stop.
Okay.
So my people, home automation, it has come to stay. Alexa can You can even use Alexa to set alarm. You can tell Alexa, maybe you dey wake up at a certain time of the day. Maybe you dey wake up, let's say maybe 5 o'clock. You can decide to tell Alexa, say, wake me up every day by 5 a.m. You don't already tell am, you don't be waiting, you don't already tell am by that certain time, e go wake you up, e go still open your curtain for you, e go on lights for you. Maybe you wan make play music for the background, e go still play music for you for the background, just to energize you to do what you want to do. So my people, Alexa is very, and I'm not even talking about kitchen. Even in the kitchen, you can automate your kitchen. My people, you can also automate your kitchen. How do you do that? You see this fire, this thing now when they happen for everywhere, so you can automate your kitchen in such a way that if Alexa or home automation device sense any smoke, that smoke is not, maybe say you fry wetin they call am dodo, that smoke is coming from burning smoke. When they come out for burning, you know say this one na house, Alexa go trigger alarm. E go either call you for your phone, or e go trigger alarm for you to know say something dey happen for that kitchen, and all the lights go turn on automatically, so that if anybody need to run comot for the house, e go run comot for the house, and then e go open the door automatically, so that the door will no anybody wey wan come out go fit come out. You understand? So the thing is also safety friendly, secure. Alexa dey carry many things, so depending on the scope of the project, so if our client say do this one, we we'll do this one, do this one. So depending on wetin he say make we do wetin they call am curtain for am, we do AC for am, we do TV for am, we do panel lights for am, we do lights for am. You understand? So we did a lot for him, depending on the wetin he say make we do for am. Okay,
like the one wey you wan name now, like how much cost do you know what you think of?
E not too cost o, about 1.1 million naira now we take do this.
Okay, 1.1 million naira.
Yeah.
So
this, all the device, so all the device we buy and everything. So
okay, even though you dey kafasha as you talk, if you talk, everything go off, everything go on.
Yeah.
If you see on his surrounding light as you talk.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, I say see this thing.
Thank God say I not forget am. You see this frame now, and we see they do frame design like this. So
okay.
So this one now we do for this our client. So he just tell us say he need some sort of art. So now we creatively give am this art design. Okay. Understand? So we still do this art, and this one 30 by 45.
Okay, 30 by 45. 30 by like how much cost?
This one about 75,000 naira.
Okay, 75,000.
Even this Joker too.
Okay, Joker.
This Joker. Now we do this Joker too. You understand? This one about 15 by 30. 15 by 30. Now we do this Joker too.
How much be this?
This one about 45,000 naira.
Okay.
45,000. And even this lion wey you say so. So we still dey do this one. Everything wey go make your house fine.
Okay, beautiful.
Now we dey into make sure say as you enter your house, you go like your house, and your house go welcome you the way e suppose be. And if you enter, people go know say yes, true, na you get this house. You understand? So na wetin we dey do just to make sure that the beauty, the aesthetic value, and the automatic value, home automatic value of your house is achieved. So
wetin go like tell the person wey give you this job when you dey for am?
I go tell am say thank you, and then I go still tell am say make him enjoy am. Okay. Anybody wey enter this house, may use Alexa take dey intimidate them. Okay. Yeah, you understand? May just say Alexa say play music for this guy. Alexa on TV for this guy. May just, yes. May just use Alexa take dey enjoy himself.
Okay. Okay, you will call a number when our extract after reach you.
Okay.
Your phone number when our extract after reach you.
Okay, my phone number is 070 88 38 9546.
Now that number you get?
Yes, now ladies.
Call them again.
070 88 38 9546.
My people, I please have a time when I watch this video.